Fetch Rewards advance limit issues usually happen because the account does not meet the requirements for a higher limit, or because the feature has not updated correctly. By the end, you'll know what to check when your Fetch Rewards advance limit is stuck, and the steps that can help fix the problem. Start by checking your Fetch Rewards account status. Features like advance limits can depend on account activity, eligibility, and information connected to your account. Open the Fetch Rewards app and review your account details to make sure everything is complete and accurate. Next, check whether your app is updated. An outdated version of the Fetch Rewards app can cause certain features to display incorrectly or prevent updates from appearing. Go to your device's App Store, install any available Fetch Rewards update, and reopen the app. You should also check your account activity. Some account features may change based on how the account is used over time. Continue using the app normally and make sure your account information stays current. If your advance limit is not updating, try signing out of the Fetch Rewards app and signing back in. This refreshes your account session and can help display the latest account information. You can also restart your phone and check the app again. If the limit is still stuck, review any notifications or messages inside Fetch Rewards. The app may provide details about your account status or explain whether additional steps are required. Avoid creating multiple accounts to try to access different limits. Using more than one account can create account issues and make it harder to resolve problems. If none of these steps fix the problem, contact Fetch Rewards support through the app. Include details about what you see, when the issue started, and any steps you already tried. The main fixes are simple. Update the app, check your account information, refresh your login, and contact support if the limit does not change. Open Fetch Rewards now and check your account settings before trying another advance limit request. Subscribe for more cashback app fixes, reward app guides, and troubleshooting videos. And like the video if this helped you understand how to fix a stuck Fetch Rewards advance limit.